Hey YouTube fam, I just came on here to give you guys an update on my garden. As you can see, it's flourishing, very good. Look what the divine creation does for you, providing all the nutrients for me and my family. I just started some moringa leaves right here. They're gonna sprout out in a minute and I'll give you an update. You guys need to start your own garden, grow your own food. Go back to Mother Nature's way of living. And look at the beautiful sun. Where are you at, sun? Ooh, it's so bright in my neck and you can see it. Thank you, my divine creation. I'm truly grateful. That's my message to you guys. Start growing your own food. I can do it in a small little block I have a space here. You know? Start somewhere. Thank you guys for watching.